Do you have a cough that just won't go away? Sometimes, a persistent dry cough could be caused by your blood pressure medicine, Lisinopril. Lisinopril is an ACE inhibitor, a common drug for hypertension. While it controls blood pressure effectively, a side effect in some people is a dry, tickly cough that can persist. This cough usually won't disappear until the medication is stopped or changed. Never stop your medication without consulting your doctor. Speak to your healthcare provider if this happens. If you notice this type of cough, monitor it, talk to your doctor, and don't ignore it, especially if it's interfering with your sleep or daily life. Follow for more tips.